Hi, how are you doing, guys? Welcome to the preview for the Leicester versus Arsenal game in the Carabao Cup. I have with me Kabir to discuss this match.
Hi Vipul, how are you doing?
Hi, Kabir, I'm good. So it's Carabao Cup time. Yeah,
Yeah, another trophy.
yeah. This trophy is basically won by Manchester City for the past
Yeah.
5 6 years. Yeah. So let me ask you this: what do you think Mikel Arteta's team will be? Will he go with a strong team or will he play with some youngsters?
I think he'll have some youngsters, but it'll be a very strong team. I think he'll mix a lot of experience with some youth. I think he'll definitely do that because if you realize in his time, uh, I mean, not while playing, but at least with his when he was manager, I mean, assistant manager under Pep, assistant head coach, they went for these trophies. This was something that Pep said, listen, a trophy is a trophy. You need to get it as quick as possible, get as many as possible, get that winning mentality going. So I think he will eye this as a trophy that we want to get. It's definitely something that's within our reach. We've already, I mean, all the top teams are in the third round already, so it makes it a lot easier. So in that term, yes, I think he will play a very, very strong team.
Okay. So we have a lot of players who are in line to make their debut. Um, I see David Luiz is fit
Yeah.
from his neck injury. And what do you think? Will this be a debut for William Saliba?
I think he will. I think he'll give Saliba his time. He played the under 23s. It was a good game. He played well in that game. And I think Mikel will give him his chance now in the cup just to get him up and going. And I think he will play David Luiz alongside him actually because Luiz anyway needs the game time to get fit. So I think he'll play Luiz and Saliba tomorrow for sure.
What do you think will go with back three or back four? Because last season, I think in one cup game, Arteta went with a back four to just try it out. And
It depends. For me, the thing is, if he's going to play David Luiz, I think he's definitely going to play a back three. I don't think
okay,
he's going to play a back four because it also hinges on the fact does Brendan Rodgers play Jamie Vardy or not. Like I mean, in that
yeah,
situation, we need the three centre backs to be very honest. With Harvey Barnes on one side and Jamie Vardy, we'll definitely need it. So in that situation, I think if he is playing David Luiz, he will play a back three.
so who will be your third center? Let's leave it. Let's just get into the team lineup. So
Yeah,
you're going with a 3-4-3 formation as always.
yeah, I think it will be a 3-4-3 tomorrow. I don't think he'll change the system just yet. I think he needs a couple of more players to change the system. And right now, the
Okay.
team seems extremely sort of well oiled with this the 3-4-3 system, or the when we're attacking the 4-2-3-1 sort of system as well. So
So
yeah.
yeah, let's go with your team.
Okay, yeah. So interestingly, I actually think Ranison will get his debut tomorrow.
You think?
Our new goalkeeper. I think he will get him because I mean it's very it was very strange to see that just before his signing, actually, Ranison took part in the training session, and
Yeah.
that's not something that happens generally in terms of a player who's going to come in and take his time to settle in. It's clearly something that Mikel has said. You know what? This is what's going to happen. You're going to end up playing on Wednesday night. So
Yeah, but
let's.
I'm not sure whether he was in the regular training session. I think he was doing his individual sessions with the
Yeah.
goalkeeping coach.
Yeah, so that's
Yeah.
what the other thing is to check whether they've registered him to play because I think that also it depends on the number of days prior to whether they've managed to register him before the game. If that doesn't happen, I think Matt Macy will play. I don't think he'll play Leno. I think he'll play Matt Macy in goal. He'll give him his chance. I think Macy deserves it to be honest, in terms of the time he spent at the club and the understanding he has of the team. So I think Messi will play. I think he will play Luis and Saliba, as we said. I think the third centre back's an interesting one. I think he will play Seed tomorrow as the third centre back on the left side. Tierney is not. I mean, he's got a muscle sort of situation that we know of. He'll be back in training this week. so he should be in line for the game against Liverpool. But I don't think he'll play him this game. So I
Yeah,
think
he
we
wouldn't like to risk Tierney for the game.
Yeah, so I think it'll be Saliba, David Luiz, and Seed as the three centre backs. Uh,
Yeah.
I think on the left we will have Saka, and I think the right will be Maitland Niles. I think that's the way he'll go. He'll play El Neni tomorrow. Unfortunately, Emil Smith Rowe also has got a muscle injury and he's back in training in 10 days. Otherwise, I think he would have definitely started this game. So I think we will have Maitland Niles on the right and we'll have Saka on the left. And I think he'll go with El Neli and Joe Willock. Those will be the two that he'll play there. And I think he'll go up top with Eddie Nketiah. I think that's what he'd look at. So you have your three there plus your two. You've got our two holding and your the striker Eddie Nketiah with the goalkeeper.
And what do you think? Who do you think will be the wingers on the left and the right?
So the thing is, that's what I said. So if you've got your three sitting there, your top two, sorry, yeah, the top two
Top.
wingers, yeah, the top two wingers I think will be interesting because I think he will play Pepe tomorrow. He'll give Pepe his start in the thing, Eddie through the center, and on the other side it'll be interesting to see who he plays actually. I think it'll be one of the academy boys that he will bring in if he's going to play Saka behind because it gives one that connection of playing through the academy and the younger one of the under 23 boys.
Yeah.
So it'll be interesting to see, but I don't think I was thinking maybe Willian might play a big part. Maybe he'll start Willian and Pepe together, and then you could get the crossover.
Yeah,
But
we do have Reece Nelson,
yeah,
who can start.
Reese. The thing is, I think Reese will. Yeah, it depends on whether. Again, if he's playing Pepe, I think Reese on the left. Then you've got two inverted wingers on either side, which is I don't know if Arteta is fully comfortable with that because at least with Willian, you can play him as a false 10 as he did last time. So it'll be interesting to see. So yeah, I mean, I think if I had to, yeah, I would go with you. If I had to pick that, the other starting 11 would be, I mean, the other person in the 11, I think Reese would be the one. Yeah. So it
Yeah,
would
that's
be
pretty much my team also.
yeah, it
Yeah.
would be it would
So
be Matt Macy in goal, Saliba, David Luiz, Seed. You've got Ainsley Maitland-Niles as right wing back. You've got Saka as left wing back. You've got Reece Nelson in front of him. You've got Joe Willock and El Neni. On the right, you've got Nicolas Pepe in front of Maitland-Niles and Eddie Nketiah to lead the line.
yeah, yeah, that's pretty much my team. Then you have the likes of Sabay or Zaka you can call upon to enforce the game if something is going wrong. And I do think Aubameyang will get a rest in this game.
Yeah.
You can play Lacazette in place of Eddie Nketiah. Let's see a couple of more academy players in the squad. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah,
So what do you?
I'm looking forward to seeing Salah on the bench. I think if Salah makes the squad for us, I think it'll be interesting to see. He's done extremely well. We got him from Feyenoord for free. He's done well in the
Yeah,
trainings and stuff like that. He looks exciting, so I think it'll be something to look out for sure.
yeah, yeah. The academy players always excite me.
Yeah,
Yeah. So now let's talk about Leicester a bit. So last season, Leicester was the favorites to finish in the top four, but after the lockdown, they were not up to the mark and they basically blew it.
yeah,
So Brendan Rodgers has something to prove this season. It just wasn't a fluke at the beginning of the season. They
yeah,
should have done it, but they basically bottled it.
yeah.
So yeah, he'll come. He'll play a strong team basically. So it all depends on whether Jamie Vardy plays or not. Yeah, so that's it. And I know you don't do predictions as always, but I do think we'll win this game. It will be a tight game since Leicester will try to. Leicester are playing at home and they'll try to enforce themselves onto us since we are playing the youngsters. That depends. And yeah, as you said in the beginning, Arteta was under Pep, and they were going for each and every trophy, and the same mentality Arteta is bringing to Arsenal. And I would pretty much like the Carabao Cup in the bag
Of
for this
course.
season. A trophy is a trophy. We are not
Yeah.
like the lot down the road. No trophy.
We make sure we win them. That's the difference.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
A trophy is a trophy. Yeah.
yeah, 100%.
Uh,
And I think it'll be an exciting game because I think Leicester will play good football. That's what Brendan Rodgers sort of. I mean, they will play. They will pass it around. They
yeah,
will
yeah,
put it around. So
yeah.
so it'll
Leicester
be
versus
two.
Arsenal
It'll be
is
two
always
good.
an exciting.
Yeah, two good footballing
Yeah,
teams. So it'll be an exciting game for sure.
yeah, yeah. So both teams have won their opening two matches in the domestic league. So this is like, yeah, we are on the right path, and let's move forward.
Yeah, and
So
the crazy part is that both the defenders signed by both teams have scored in their opening games. Gabriel scored for us, and Costania scored for them. So,
oh,
uh,
is it?
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's see, let's see. Listen, thanks for coming, Kabir, onto the show again.
anytime, anytime,
Uh,
okay.
yeah, see you again after the match in the post-match show.
Sure, great.
Yeah, guys. And guys, if you have not subscribed yet, just subscribe to our channel to get more content. Don't forget, we have a new show in the form of Football Daily. You will get daily content. Kabir, did you watch the show?
No, I'm actually going to right after this.
Yeah,
I've
yeah, yeah.
subscribed. I'm just waiting.
So
Right after this, I'll jump in and watch it.
yeah, all right. That's it, guys. See you at the post-match show. Thank you. We are out of here.